Welcome to Integrate 2024 in Sydney, and welcome to the HP Microsoft booth.
I've seen LinkedIn articles, I've seen people posting videos, unboxing videos. The G9 Plus is a product that you can deploy fast and easy, getting that time back so you can focus on the more important things around a Teams Rooms deployment, and it just works. That's the best thing about it. I saw this product the first time in January at ISE this year, and when I first saw it, I went, wow, this is going to be a game changer. With the acquisition and merger of HP and Poly, we've been able to see that portfolio even expand even more to the end user compute stage. You've got the whole stack covered with HP Poly, so you've got that one hand to shake now for your entire portfolio.
The cool thing about the partnership between HP and Microsoft is that we sell together, we sort of bring our customers the value of our products. We also support customers together, and then critically, we design products together. So it's so important that Microsoft engineering teams and HP engineering teams, they're collaborating on the next wave of products, and anything that's being built into Teams can be lit up by HP Poly devices. So that's the real magic of our partnership. Customers, they want to have a trusted vendor, trusted partner for all their technology across the workplace. And the wonderful thing about HP's portfolio is that you've got everything from the end user PC and incredible new products like the Copilot Plus PC recently announced, all the way through to the meeting rooms. You're going to have that quality experience, and customers are going to be secure, they're going to be productive, and have a really inclusive and a great meeting experience as well.